Hello everyone, I'm David from TAIWAN OEM department, and today I'm going to introduce our custom tool service to you. Let me show you our showroom first. Let's go! Now we are in the showroom of OEM department. As you can see, TAIWAN offers a lot of outdoor parts and accessories such as cycling products, climbing gears, and multi-tool is one of our main categories. And today I'm going to show you our capability and what we can do. We have many tool options to build with the needs for different users, and the options are as follows. First category is mini tool. They are CNC series, flat series, floating series, and keychain series. Other categories are hex wrench, screwdriver, tire lever, and the chain cutter. And we also have hard categories like torque wrench, ratchet wrench, and the tool kit. Regarding to customized tool service, we could integrate multiple purpose bits into our open models that could apply to industry you are in, such as multi-tools for cycling, camping, outdoor activities, and even musical instrument maintenance. Whether you are a drummer, guitarist, or a cyclist, we will try to meet your requirement, which means we offer total solution service to our customers from design to a finished product. We have bits functions for cycling purpose, like tire lever, CO2 inflator, chain tool, and pad spreader. And we also have functions for outdoor activities like serrated knife, corkscrew, and a bottle opener. Special functions like pipe wrench, drum kit tool, tire file, tube repair, and valve core are all available. We could integrate multi-manufacturing processes for customer to build a tool that is desirable. No matter what tool combination you want to have, we will make drawings or samples to show you the best arrangement while offering a quotation. Besides customized multi-tools requirement, if you don't have your own design, we also have many standard models for you to choose. Regarding to bits function that we have in our standard specification, they are Phillips drivers, flathead drivers, box wrench, Allen key, and the torque wrench. Selection of sidebar material we have are plastic, steel, aluminum alloy, wood, rubber, and carbon fiber. Tool bits are made from CRV steel or chromoly steel. Bits finish could be nickel plating, chrome plating, and dark nickel plating. The most important thing is that our tools are all made in Taiwan. We are happy to imprint or to engrave your logo on the tools as long as you provide us with your logo artwork. Now I believe you have a better understanding about our capability. If you have any inquiry, please contact us. Hope that we could be your reliable partner in the near future, and we will try to make your design real. Bye bye!